We're showing and demonstrating teardrops that can be basically lowered to any height you desire, hung on a slanted ceiling over a kitchen island, and more. It gives an accent to the lighting in your recess and overhead for kitchens, hallways, living rooms, bedrooms, in a corner, anywhere you want to put something, showcasing and more. They are teardrops with a crystal type of design, giving a display. We're going to show you what this product is about and how to set up. The Bazal store, Raindrop in black, gold, and silver, 6000 Kelvin. As we unbox the unit, we have the instruction guides laid on top. We have the bracket and grounding and protected by foam. Pulling out of the case your hardware, some assembly is required. Lifting up your cosmetic fixture. Each of the cord, a raindrop. As we assemble our unit, we have 4 anchors, 4 bolts, 2 bolts for the bracket, 3 wire nuts, a washer, 3 crystal designed teardrops, 3 different heights of sockets to screw on, and a glove for protection. The mechanism, self-adhesive sticker to place on, a lock into place, and to place on your AC area. These are areas of interest that you're going to raise by pushing in. Adjusting for added security. And then when need to move down, lower, press in so you can slide out again. Remove the bell house nut, cosmetic cover. Remove 1 nut. Remove the second nut. Place on the bolt. Secure the nut down. Place on the second nut. Place the bell house nut to the side and repeat for the other 3. When all placed on with the 2 bolts, proceed to the top. Here we're going to align and lock down. Match your leads, load for load. When everything's all hung up and secured, cut the tie wrap. Tall ceilings, angled, sloped. Simply push up to the height you desire. Each of the teardrops are held in by Allen keys and a thread coupler, an LED. Check online for further details about dimming. As we'll switch the light on, it gives an accent to the room, kitchen island, and more. This is what the light looks like, throwing a design with the bubble crystal teardrop. With lights on, it gives the accent, giving the room some color and design. The teardrops are non-dimmable. They can be put on a timer to shut off and on the lights with the remote switch or wall switch. I hope you enjoy the product. If this is something that you are looking for in your island kitchen needs area that you need to hang a light to give accent with an additional lighting needs. 6000 Kelvin, 24 watts. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.